Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of, the Allotment Diaries. We are in March. Look, I mean it's sunny and it's reasonably warm. It's about 16 degrees in Aylesbury today, and so I came down just for a little while to have a look at the allotment and start to, as you can see, start to dig. So I mean it's pretty good anyway. There are obviously a few weeds, but you know, overall not too bad, and the soil is still quite wet. It's been very kind of wet the last few weeks, and this week is the first time I think we've had about 4 days where it's just been sun and you know it's quite cold still, but today it's actually warmed up a bit. So on top it's quite dry, but underneath it's quite soggy still, so it's quite clumpy when you're digging it over. But I thought we'd get started, and what we're going to try and do is perhaps plant our first row of veggies. So I've got some onions to put in, so we'll have a look at them here. So here they are. We got our onions. These are strong flavour Hercules F1s. Sounds like motor racing team, doesn't it? So I'm just, hopefully I haven't got long, so I'm just going to plant the first line today, and then carry on digging over for a little bit, and then over the coming days we've got plenty more. This is going to be the onion, maybe leeks and radish patch, possibly. We are going to do some horseradish, which is quite exciting. So I'll do that another day. But and wildflowers, we're going to have a whole wildflower. That's probably going to go there, we think, where the rake is sitting up. That's not very health and safety, is it? But hopefully the radish are going to go in that little corner. There's our, yeah, we still haven't worked on that yet. So that's something to do soon. Now that the weather is hopefully going to cheer up a bit and get warmer. So I'm going to get back to doing that. This is going to be a kind of extended one because it's going to be over a few days rather than just today. So do join me to see how we progress. So here we go. I'm going to plant a few of them, and we get our produce going. Produce going. Yes, maybe something in that. So we'll be back in a moment or two. So let's keep digging, because you know I can't stand around here chatting forever. Hello everyone, we are back at the allotment. It's Saturday now, so I planted the first batch of onions on Thursday, and we're back here on Saturday afternoon. It's absolutely gorgeous again. Look at that, beautiful clouds, some nice cumulus clouds there. We had rain this morning, showers, March showers, but this afternoon has cleared up a little, and we are able to come down and hopefully plant a little bit more. But I thought I'll show you exactly what we've got so far, that we are going to be planting over the next few weeks until about mid-April time. Most of them can be done then. So here we go, we'll have a look. So here we are. So we have we're going to plant some mild garlic chives. We've got some different kind of onion, a Paris silver skin, it's very posh, the perfect pickling onion. So we're going to do some of them as well. We're going to put some salad leaves in. Again, we should be able to get them planted out in March time. And we have some radish here. We're going to do some rainbow mix radish for salads in the summer. And then we've also got here some we're going to have a little meadow. It's going to take a while for this to go, but apparently we need to plant this in April time, and hopefully flower in between June and October. Hopefully then we're going to have a nice little meadow for the bees. I haven't decided exactly where I'm going to put it. And then this fine one is horseradish thongs, hot and peppery flavour, so that's going to be for winter, of course. Jay is going to do something with these, so we'll hand it over to her for that. But hopefully we'll be able to grow them. We're going to grow them just over there, actually. That's where we're going to put them, because they are a weed, apparently, I've been told. But we will see how they go. So that's what we've got so far. We'll, of course, see if we can get some more things. We need to put some potatoes in, tomato. I've got a pepper. I may have mentioned this before, actually. I've got a pepper plant in the house that really needs to get going, because it hasn't really done anything. So I think I might bring that along here as well eventually. And of course, our lovely shed needs to be, you know, rebuilt, shall we say, or done something with anyway. So yeah, we're gonna, I don't know, we won't get all of this planted, of course, so maybe we'll do a second edition of Allotment Diaries later on in the month. I mean, what are we now, we're the 12th of March, is it, I think? So yeah, towards the end of March, hopefully it will have warmed up a little bit more. And again, it's very windy today, so let's see how it goes. So that was our early March Allotment Diaries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and like, comment please, and also you'll notice there will be there's Buy Me a Coffee, where I put all sorts of stuff on, so or Patreon, so you know, you got pics there. It'll be nice to get the Patreon up and running, really. So if you are able to join that, you'll find lots of other content, not just about the allotment, travel stuff, my deepest and inner thoughts as well. So lots of things going on there. So they're all links down in the written bit. So as I say, thanks ever so much for watching, and we'll be back for another edition of Allotment Diaries very soon, and there will be another Ordinary England coming up very soon as well. So keep a lookout for that. Keep digging, folks.